Family time equals pizza. But today we are making it with a twist. The Misfits Red Onion Relish with ashwagandha. Take some olive oil, mozzarella cheese and pizza dough. Brush some olive oil. Take the pizza base and spread it on the waffle maker. Spread the red onion relish. Top it with mozzarella cheese and close it with another pizza base. Just in 10 minutes, your ROR pizza waffle is ready. Give your pizza nice a waffly spin with the Misfits Red Onion Relish.